In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated icons to your Notion pages. Animated icons are a quick way to add motion and personality to your workspace, and the process is as simple as downloading a small file and embedding it in the right place. First, find the animated icon you want to use. These are usually GIF files, and you can grab them from your preferred icon or image source. When you're choosing one, look for a clean loop and a reasonable file size so your page loads smoothly. It's also a good idea to check usage rights to make sure you're allowed to use the icon. Once you've found the one you like, download it to a folder you can easily access, like your desktop or a dedicated assets folder. Next, head to your Notion page. Click where you want the icon to appear, then type /embed to bring up the embed block. You'll see two options: upload a file or paste an embed link. If you downloaded the GIF, choose the upload option and select your file from your computer. If you already have a direct link to the animated icon hosted online, you can paste that link instead, which keeps your Notion storage lighter. Either approach works, so pick the one that fits your workflow. After you choose the file or paste the link, Notion will process it and place it on your page. Give it a second to load, and you should see the animation start looping automatically. If it doesn't animate right away, a quick page refresh often does the trick, and it's worth confirming the file really is a GIF and not a static image. Now that your animated icon is on the page, you can make it look just right. Drag the handles to resize it so it complements your text rather than overpowering it. You can move the block up or down the page to find the perfect spot and align it to fit your layout style. If you want to add context, use the caption area to label what the icon represents. Keeping the design consistent across pages helps your workspace feel polished. And that's all it takes. You found an animated icon, used the /embed command, uploaded the file, or pasted the link, and now you've got a lively, animated touch on your Notion page. Save your favorite icons in one place so you can reuse them quickly, and keep file sizes small for fast-loading pages. Thanks for watching, and enjoy bringing your Notion setup to life with motion.